Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and enable sensitive content on Telegram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, actually you cannot do that particular setting. You can access it from your app on your mobile phone. You have to sign in on your browser, or you can do it from your laptop or desktop as well. Once you have signed in, go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line beside on the left corner and tap on the settings icon given below, and now you're gonna scroll down till you find this option called privacy and security. Go ahead, tap on it, and here in this section you will be able to see this particular option called disable filtering, aka disable sensitive media in public channels on all your Telegram devices. You simply have to, if it's by default turned off, then you can simply turn this on for you to enable all of the sensitive contents for you to see on your Telegram without any blockages, right? Simply turn this on and then you will be done. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.